What happens when you eat grilled peach and burrata salad? Eating a grilled peach and burrata salad can be a delightful culinary experience. Here's what typically happens when you enjoy such a dish. Let's delve deeper into the flavor explosion you can expect from a grilled peach and burrata salad. Sweetness of grilled peaches. When peaches are grilled, their natural sugars caramelize, intensifying their sweetness and adding a subtle smokiness. Each bite of a grilled peach brings a burst of juicy, fruity flavor that is both refreshing and indulgent. Creamy richness of burrata cheese. Burrata cheese is known for its creamy texture and mild, milky flavor. When paired with the sweetness of the grilled peaches, the creamy richness of the burrata creates a luxurious contrast that melts in your mouth, enveloping your palate with a velvety sensation. Balancing act of balsamic glaze. Many grilled peach and burrata salads are drizzled with a balsamic glaze or reduction. The tangy sweetness of the balsamic vinegar adds depth and complexity to the dish, balancing the sweetness of the peaches and enhancing the savory notes of the cheese. Herbal freshness of salad greens. The salad greens, whether it's arugula, baby spinach, or mixed greens, contribute a fresh, herbaceous flavor that complements the sweetness of the peaches and the creaminess of the burrata. Their crisp texture provides a refreshing contrast to the softness of the fruit and cheese. Additional ingredients. Depending on the recipe, a grilled peach and burrata salad may include additional ingredients such as toasted nuts, like almonds or walnuts, for added crunch and nuttiness, crispy prosciutto for saltiness, or fresh herbs, such as basil or mint, for an extra layer of fragrance and flavor. These elements contribute to the overall complexity and depth of the dish, elevating the flavor profile even further. In summary, the flavor explosion of a grilled peach and burrata salad is a harmonious blend of sweet, creamy, tangy, and savory elements that come together to create a truly memorable culinary experience. Each bite offers a symphony of flavors that delights the palate and leaves you craving more. Absolutely, let's explore the texture harmony in a grilled peach and burrata salad. Softness of grilled peaches. Grilling peaches softens their flesh while enhancing their natural juiciness. As you bite into a grilled peach slice, you experience a tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture that contrasts with the firmer texture of raw peaches. This softness contributes to the overall smoothness of the salad. Creaminess of burrata cheese. Burrata cheese is renowned for its creamy interior, which spills out when sliced open. The luxurious, velvety texture of the burrata adds a layer of indulgence to the salad, coating your palate with its luscious creaminess. Crispness of salad greens. The salad greens, whether they're delicate baby spinach leaves, peppery arugula, or a mix of various greens, provide a refreshing crispness that balances the softness of the grilled peaches and the creaminess of the burrata. Their crunchy texture adds a satisfying bite to each forkful of the salad. Contrast of toasted nuts. If the salad includes toasted nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, they contribute a crunchy texture and nutty flavor that contrasts with the softness of the peaches and the creaminess of the burrata. These toasted nuts add depth and complexity to the salad, providing a satisfying crunch with every bite. Variety of additional ingredients. Depending on the recipe, a grilled peach and burrata salad may feature additional ingredients like crispy prosciutto or crunchy croutons, which further enhance the texture harmony of the dish. These elements introduce layers of texture, from crispy to chewy, that complement the soft and creamy components of the salad. Overall, the texture harmony in a grilled peach and burrata salad is a delicate balance of soft, creamy, and crunchy elements that work together to create a satisfying eating experience. With each bite, you encounter a delightful interplay of textures that keep your palate engaged and your taste buds intrigued. Sensory satisfaction in a grilled peach and burrata salad extends beyond just taste to encompass the full sensory experience. Here's how. Aroma. As the grilled peaches are caramelizing and the burrata is being prepared, the kitchen fills with a tantalizing aroma. The sweet scent of the peaches mingling with the creamy fragrance of the cheese creates an inviting atmosphere that whets your appetite and sets the stage for a memorable meal. Visual appeal. A well-presented grilled peach and burrata salad is a feast for the eyes. The vibrant colors of the grilled peach slices, verdant salad greens, and creamy burrata cheese create an enticing visual contrast on the plate. The drizzle of balsamic glaze or sprinkle of fresh herbs adds an elegant finishing touch, enhancing the salad's aesthetic appeal and inviting you to dig in. Tactile experience. As you fork a bite of the salad and bring it to your mouth, you experience a variety of textures that delight your sense of touch. The softness of the grilled peaches, the creaminess of the burrata, and the crispness of the salad greens provide a pleasing tactile sensation that enhances your overall enjoyment of the dish. Temperature contrast. Depending on how the salad is prepared, you may encounter a contrast in temperatures that adds another dimension to the sensory experience. The warm, caramelized grilled peaches juxtaposed with the cool, creamy burrata cheese create a delightful contrast in temperatures that stimulates your palate and keeps each bite interesting. Sound of satisfaction. Though often overlooked, the sound of satisfaction plays a role in the sensory experience of eating. Whether it's the gentle sizzle of the peaches on the grill or the satisfying crunch of toasted nuts or crispy prosciutto, each sound adds to the sensory symphony of the meal, heightening your enjoyment and leaving you feeling thoroughly satisfied. In summary, sensory satisfaction in a grilled peach and burrata salad encompasses the aroma, visual appeal, tactile experience, temperature contrast, and even the sound of satisfaction associated with enjoying this delectable dish. From the moment you set eyes on it to the last bite, every aspect of the sensory experience is designed to delight your senses and leave you feeling fully satisfied. Let's explore the nutritional benefits of a grilled peach and burrata salad. Vitamins and antioxidants from peaches. Peaches are a rich source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which supports immune function and skin health. They also contain vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, and vitamin K, which is important for bone health and blood clotting. Additionally, peaches are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Protein and calcium from burrata cheese. Burrata cheese provides a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. It also contains calcium, a mineral that is crucial for bone health, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Consuming foods rich in calcium, like burrata cheese, can help maintain strong bones and teeth and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Fiber and nutrients from salad greens. The salad greens in a grilled peach and burrata salad, such as arugula, spinach, or mixed greens, are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber is important for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. Dark leafy greens like spinach are also rich in nutrients such as folate, vitamin K, and iron, which are essential for overall health and well-being. Healthy fats and nutrients from nuts. If the salad includes toasted nuts like almonds or walnuts, they contribute healthy fats, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals to the dish. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also provide essential nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Hydration and electrolytes. Peaches have a high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and supports overall hydration levels in the body. Additionally, they contain electrolytes like potassium, which is important for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Overall, a grilled peach and burrata salad offers a combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats that contribute to overall health and well-being. It's a nutritious and delicious way to enjoy a variety of wholesome ingredients in one satisfying dish. Let's dive deeper into the aspects of satiety and contentment associated with enjoying a grilled peach and burrata salad. Balanced macronutrients. A well-prepared grilled peach and burrata salad typically contains a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats from ingredients like peaches, burrata cheese, nuts, and salad greens. This balanced macronutrient profile helps to provide sustained energy and keep hunger at bay, promoting feelings of fullness and satisfaction after the meal. Fiber-rich ingredients. Salad greens and other plant-based ingredients in the salad contribute dietary fiber, which adds bulk to the meal and helps promote feelings of satiety. Fiber also slows down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer periods and reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking between meals. Creaminess and indulgence. The creamy texture of the burrata cheese adds a sense of indulgence to the salad, making it feel more satisfying and luxurious. This indulgent element can help satisfy cravings and contribute to feelings of contentment and fulfillment after the meal. Flavor variety and enjoyment. A grilled peach and burrata salad offers a diverse range of flavors and textures, from the sweet and juicy grilled peaches to the creamy burrata cheese, crunchy nuts, and crisp salad greens. This variety in flavors and textures enhances the eating experience and contributes to a sense of satisfaction and enjoyment during and after the meal. Mindful eating experience. Taking the time to savor each bite of a grilled peach and burrata salad can promote mindfulness during meals, allowing you to fully appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas of the dish. Mindful eating has been linked to increased satisfaction with meals and improved overall well-being by fostering a deeper connection with food and eating experiences. Nutrient density and health benefits. Knowing that you're nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients like fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and cheese can contribute to feelings of satisfaction and contentment after eating. Consuming nutrient-dense foods that support overall health and well-being can leave you feeling good both physically and mentally. Overall, the combination of balanced macronutrients, fiber-rich ingredients, indulgent flavors, mindful eating practices, and nutrient density in a grilled peach and burrata salad can promote feelings of satiety, contentment, and overall well-being after enjoying this delicious meal. Overall, eating a grilled peach and burrata salad is not only a delicious experience, but also a feast for the senses that leaves you feeling nourished and satisfied.